Spice, Ketch, Coward, and Shenseea give fans access to our personal life. Stick around, full details coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. I hope everybody's fine out there in the best of health and being very productive. Now let's get into today's stories. So we know Spice has a lot of things, including supermom, businesswoman, activist, brand ambassador. You name it, you know what I mean? The queen of the dancehall, all these great accolades that she has accumulated over the years, right? But one thing we would never call Spice is a coward. We would say Spice, you know what I mean? We would call Spice a fierce person. But everybody have their breaking point. And this is Spice's breaking point apparently, right? So our kids convince her to go on a ride in a theme park, right? And we have the clips to show you the result. So we're going to take a look at these clips. Let's go. But this is the look on Spice's face. Spice say it lock. Spice make sure say it's secure, right? Anyway, let's see the rest of the video. Let's see the actual ride, and after she get off, here goes.
Where's she at? Oh. Auntie Grace!
Now, me don't know who else a scream pan or something there, but me know Spice voice when me hear Spice voice. And that definitely is Grace Hamilton screaming out when that thing a go up and down, right? So, with this video now, Spice had some captions. She posted 2 videos separately, and she had 2 captions. So the first one say, "This is how I know that I really do love my kids. How the F did they trick me into doing this? I died and came back." Yeah. So on the second one, she does say, "When you take up where you can manage murder," with some laughing emoji. So let me ask all the ladies out there, you know what I mean? Are you scared to go on these rides? Would you be the same as Spice? Would your reaction be the same as Spice? Sorry. Right? Because even some man might be scared too. I don't know. And that doesn't necessarily mean that you're a coward, you know. Because certain things me just not go do. Right? You're not going to catch me, I don't know, like diving with no shark or nothing like that. I might try skydiving. I want to tell me to in the comment section the things them would or would not try. Like, I mean, skydiving, would you do that? Or would you go cage swimming with shark or them kind of something there? Not me, you know what I mean? I'm good. So, so big up the people them where would I do them thing they said we are still, you know what I mean? We're quite adventurous. But, you know, Spice good in other things, but this is just not fair thing. And we can see it. Maybe if she do it again, maybe a different result. We don't know. So big up Spice, big up our kids. And yeah, let's move on right now. Next story is a bit of a downer. I've been seeing it on the internet all morning, and it's from Nationwide Radio. So more than likely, it's legit, but we still are going to use the word allegedly because I have no way of confirming this if it's 100% accurate, right? So it says, exclusive. Nationwide Radio understand that the legendary Usain Bolt has contracted the COVID-19 virus. The retired Jamaican sprint great is to proceed into isolation as he recovers from the virus. And there's a link to it, but you know, you can check this out on their Twitter feed, or you can go to their website, which is nationwideradiojm.com. Nationwide Radio boldjm.com, right? If I saw it go hopefully Bolt, you know what I mean, come around and him get back on him feet and get back good. So I want for to send some blessings for Bolt and hopefully everything goes well with him in quarantine and him get back to 100%. So some of you might know this already, but for the ones who don't, Instagram has this feature that you can set up a Q&A so you can tell your followers them for ask the thing. They have a whole heap of other features, but Q&A is a big thing on Instagram. They have multiple features for doing Q&A. So Shenseea set up a Q&A and her fans them go in, you know what I mean? So I pick out the ones that I found most interesting and I'm going to show them to you. Now I want to think about it. If you get the chance for ask Shenseea something, if you're a Shenyang and you get the chance for ask Shenseea something, what would you ask Shenseea? Right? More you think about that and you can comment it. So that first question, and that person gets straight to the point and say you're single, and she replied 100%. So this next person asks, what's one thing you'd want to accomplish besides being a musician? And she replied, acting. Next question, what is a must-have for you when you're on the go? Right? And she replied with a picture of a microphone. I joke me, that is not a microphone. I don't know what that is. Right? Question, second child. And she replied, trust me, I want it, but God has said wait. Somebody said, how do you angle a breakup? And she replied, bury myself in work and listen beer badman tune. Next question, do you pray you find your husband? If so, your prayers are answered here. This wasn't really a question, this was more like a comment. So she just reply and say, husband, how do you know I am not looking for a wife? Right? And then the final question is, when are you to that person that capture your beautiful eyes? And she respond and say, not a soul, no capture my eyes, me still await pan love. So no hear that Shenseea await pan love. So if anybody want to get a shot, you know what I mean, shoot your shot, and go on over Shenseea page. All right, good luck. So the next thing I want to talk about is the flooding in Jamaica. I would hope that everyone in Jamaica right now is safe and secure and dry, right? There's a lot of videos going around the interwebs that, you know, excessive flooding, especially in the Kingston and St. Andrew area. And I have some of those clips to show you. Let's take a look at those clips.
Just a little rain, not even for half an hour, and the entire Halfway Tree area is flooded. I mean, the drainage is so poor. Oh, look at that. Nobody can cross it. It's really, really bad. Really, really bad. Just a little rain. Look, water is almost at his knee. Like, I'm sure there's no entrance into the Jane Bank. The drainage system is very poor here in Kingston, Jamaica, right in Halfway Tree. Whoa, look at water. And
Yes, people, so you all see what's going on. I know someone in the midst of this disaster, and once again I urge you to stay safe and try to get to high grounds as much as you can. Hopefully this go away soon. But people, you know the story earlier that I mentioned about Bolt contracting the big 19. So Bolt put out a video, and I have that video for you, right? So I just got this video just now since I've been here editing this video, and I'm gonna let you watch it. So here it goes.
Good morning, everybody. Just waking up, and like everybody has checked social media, saw that social media saying I'm confirmed to have COVID-19. I did a test on Saturday to leave because I have work, trying to be responsible, so I'm gonna stay in and stay from my friends. And also, having no symptoms, so going to quarantine myself. And wait on the confirmation to see what is the protocol and how should I go about quarantining myself from the Ministry of Health. So until then, talk to all my friends and tell them that if they come in contact with me, should just to be safe, quarantine by yourself, and just to take it easy. And just to make people know, be safe out there. All right? Cool.
watching this video, and thank you for making it all the way to the end. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here and making the thing work. And please leave a comment, talking about one of the stories, the Shenseea story, the Spice story, the Bolt story, or even the flooding. And again, stay safe. So have a good day, night, whatever time it is, wherever you at. Thank you.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.